Financial freedom is overrated. That is not the goal. Akala natin, ang naituro sa atin is maging financially free ka kasi yan ang definition ng success. It doesn't happen that way. Alam mo ba, financial freedom is overrated. Ilang negosyante na ba, especially if you're an entrepreneur na nakikinig ka sa akin ngayon, ilang negosyante na ba yung may pera ka naman, tingnan mo yung bank account mo, hindi ka naman maghihirap even if you don't work for the next 3 months, pero wala ka namang oras sa pamilya mo, wala ka namang bakasyon, hindi mo na naaalala the last time that you had any significant memory sa iyong daughter or sa iyong son, and ang sasabihin mo, I'm sacrificing all these for the success of my business. Is that really worth it? That your business now takes a front seat while your family is second? Isn't the reason why you entered business? Sabi mo para mabigyan ng magandang buhay ang pamilya. Bakit kapag kailangan mo nang mamili between negosyo o pamilya, pinipili mo ay negosyo, hindi pamilya? Financial freedom is overrated. Allow me to share with you what the goal of life should be. Hi everyone, this is Migs Flores. I'm the CEO and President of IAM Plus Coaching globally. I'm also the founder and CEO of Prime Stellar Consultancy and the Chief Strategist of multiple organizations under our Prime ecosystem. And let me tell you this, even if I hold significant positions, I hold top management roles, sinasabi ko sa iyo, financial freedom is overrated. That is not the goal. Akala natin, ang naituro sa atin is maging financially free ka kasi yan ang definition ng success. It doesn't happen that way. Alam mo ba na ang tunay na basihan ng success is not the financial. It is freedom, kalayaan. At yung kalayaan na yun is not limited to finances alone. Let me walk you through the 3 kinds of freedom na kailangan mong magkaroon. Number 1 is yan yung pinag-usapan natin, financial freedom. However, the problem with financial freedom is this. Mali yung definition na ipasa sa atin. Ang pinasa sa atin is as if we need to hoard money. Get 100 million, get 500 million. But let's be honest, the same amount or the same things that you can buy with 100 million are the same things that you will buy with 1 million. Same food, you can travel. Diba? Ngayon, bibili ka ng kotse, pero hindi ka naman titigil magtrabaho Hindi, gusto ko kasi yung wala na akong gagawin, hindi na ako magtatrabaho at ihilatan na lang ako buong buhay. That's a very empty thing to have. Hindi siya nakakatuwa at hindi nakaka-enjoy yung wala kang gagawin. So the goal of life really isn't about doing nothing. The goal of life is find that one thing that you love doing and do it for the rest of your life. So kung hindi ka rin naman pala titigil, mali yung hoarding money. Therefore, ang sinasuggest ko is yung financial freedom, yung kalayaan. At ano lang ba talaga ang definition ng freedom? To have more than what you need and what you want for whatever bills you will pay. Hindi ba? Get more than you need and more than what you want for all bills that you need to pay. Now, if your expenses is 50,000, you're getting 100,000, aren't you free? Hindi lang tayo nakukontento sa ating lifestyle, kaya tayo naghihirap. Financial freedom is all about if I'm spending 100,000 a month, I get 150, you're good. Ang tignan mo yung kalayaan, hindi yung financial. Number 2, hindi pwedeng pera lamang ang usapan, kailangan meron ding time freedom, oras. Kasi aanhin mo ang pera kung wala ka ng oras sa anak mo. Aanhin mo ang pera kung wala ka ng oras sa asawa mo, sa pamilya mo, to the very people that you promised you're gonna give a good life to. It's not enough for you to just make money. It's also important that you have the time to enjoy it for yourself and for your loved ones. Isn't life supposed to be building memories and spending it with the people you love? Number 2 is time freedom. And number 3, walang nagturo sa atin ito, pero gusto ko na siya ituro sa inyo ngayon. It's called personal freedom. Ano yung personal freedom? The ability to walk away if things are not aligned with your values, your ethics, your freedom, and your mission. Kasi yung iba, may mga nakaka-relate dito, may pera nga sila, pero hindi naman sila makatanggi sa ibang tao kasi VIP client o kaya significant partner. At the expense of what? Sometimes values, nakita natin to, nakakalungkot. Sometimes morals, nakakalungkot. Sometimes boundaries, sayang eh. And sometimes even purpose, nawalan na ng mission, nawalan na ng purpose para lang sa pera. It's not worth it, I tell you. Personal freedom is the ability to put up boundaries. That if things are no longer aligned, I can walk away. I'm out if things are not aligned to my values, to my mission, and my freedom. I will not sacrifice my purpose for profit. I will not sacrifice my mission for money. I will not sacrifice my values to acquire more in life. Tawag dyan, personal freedom. Alam mo, ito yung tatlong bagay na kailangan mong magkaroon to live life to the full. Because it's not just about hoarding money after all, but it's about living it with peace of mind, purpose, and fulfillment. Sana nakatulong sa'yo because these are the things. I'm not saying this is truth, but I'm saying this is aligned to biblical principles. This is aligned to scientific frameworks, and this is aligned to psychological methods that provides a healthy mind, a healthy soul, a healthy heart, and a healthy spirit. Isn't that what we want in life? Sana nakatulong. God bless you, everybody.